Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then, it's the second giveaway prize draw of the day. It is Close Up Coins episode 3. This is the third time we've played this game, but it is actually the first time that we have awarded a prize to the person that has managed to get the most of these Close Up Coins correctly. If you are new to the channel, don't worry, there's going to be plenty more times for you to play along. We will actually open this game up again tonight. It will be another week-long special. There are going to be 5 more close-ups of coins to guess. These ones I thought were actually really difficult, but I am going to have to make them harder. Some people have done super well here. Maybe they were difficult. Maybe everybody at home really does know their knowledge when it comes down to commemorative 50p coins. So in 1 second's time, we are going to have a look at the 5 close-up coins along with the original picture that I took of them. After we have looked through all 5 and I've let you know what they are, we'll have a little look at that leaderboard. If there are more than one person on the same amount of points, again, we will have to go to that lucky bowl. We'll put everybody's names in there if they are on the same amount of points. The first name out will get the prize, and you will see what that prize is at the end of the video. So let's not keep you waiting anymore. Let's have a little look then at the first of 5 of the close-up coins. Again, best of luck and thank you to everyone that has played along, and also that 19,000 subscriber mark that we hit earlier is simply incredible. So here we go then. The first close-up is the Olympic Athletics 50p coin. As you can see there, the high jumper. 2012 was the image zoomed in. Everybody that played along managed to get this one. Again, this coin, part of 29 different Olympic 50p coins that was released into UK circulation back in 2011. We move on then to the second 50p coin close-up. Again, everyone has managed to get this one correctly as well. This coin then released back in 2013, and it is the Christopher Ironside's 50p coin there. A close-up of the lion there on the left-hand side wearing the crown. A huge shout out to everyone there that got that one correctly. We move on then to number 3. This is where we start getting a little bit more difficult. We move on to the Paddington Bear then from 2019, stood outside the Tower of London. There were actually 4 different Beatrix Potters released into UK circulation, 2 in 2018, and this one was part of the 2, including the St Paul's Cathedral, that were released in 2019. So we move on then to coin number 4. This one might have tricked people a little bit. A lot of people did work out it was an eye, but whose eye did this belong to? And it is indeed the 2018 Flopsy Bunny 50p coin. A huge shout out if you managed to get that one, but we are going to move on to the most difficult of the 5 now. Now this coin must have got people thinking. We've had Olympic coins, Beatrix Potters, everything else in between guessed on this particular coin. Now this is actually a close-up of a hand from a Beatrix Potter 50p coin, and you're going to see what that is on the screen now. It is the Benjamin Bunny 50p. 25 million of this coin released into UK circulation, and the fact that I'm sure most of you at home will have had this one in your hand as well. For those who didn't get this one correctly, it was a little bit of a trick, making the hardest coin the most common coin ever, but it did fool a few people. I know that a few of them are a little bit blurry, they are close-ups, there's really nothing I can do about that, and making them difficult really does make it fun, but next time I am going to make them super difficult indeed. So it's time to have a look then and see just how many people managed to get all 5, if anybody did. So the leaderboard is coming up on the screen now. Everybody has done amazing here. Nobody actually got less than 4 of these correct. Ian Strudwick, Fish, Squirreling Coins, Andy Vickers, Debbie, Stephen, Isabel, Curtis, Shelley Ward and Angus McBob all getting 4 out of 5 correctly. Most people did get the final coin wrong, and I can see why. Again, the picture wasn't great, so apologies on my half on that one, but it was a difficult one to guess right. Finally then, we're going to look at the top of the leaderboard. Wally Robson, John Camp, Dylan64 Gaming, Sam Eccles, Terence Day, Sard Khan, Triple Coins and Zed Hendo. A huge round of applause to you all. All of you got every single one of them correct, and I am going to have to up the level of difficulty on that one this evening. So unfortunately there is only going to be one prize. We have got the Temnodontosaurus. So happy that I managed to get that one right. And we've also got the change checker card with the athletics there on the front. That coin was the first one there that was guessed correctly. So the first name from the bowl is going to get those prizes. Let's have a little look to see who it is. And it is triple coins back-to-back winner today. We have got a back-to-back winner. That really does not happen very often on the channel. Triple coins has got themselves that Temnodontosaurus 50p and also the Athletics Change Checker card. We will get all of the other people there that have managed to get 5 correct from the bowl. A huge shout out to everyone that played along, and honestly, I really do think that this could be one of the fan favourite games on the channel. Again, I am going to upload another one of these this evening. I had taken a few close-ups, but I think they are going to be changing. Everyone has done an amazing job, and thank you all so much for playing along. Again, triple coins, the back-to-back champion today. Well done to you. Again, I will send you another email just in case you missed this video, but I'm more than sure that you will have seen this one. Again, all the support on the channel is incredible. Again, the video that just went up, 19,000 subscribers. I honestly can't believe it, and I cannot wait to get to that 20,000. What a milestone, not just for me, because it is a family. We are all one on the channel, and I can't wait for us all to reach that together. So, Els Games giveaways will be coming up in the next video, the 3rd giveaway today. I'm sure everyone will be checking Triple Coins' numbers. Surely she can't get a back-to-back 3 prizes in a row, but you never know. That's the way that it goes on the channel. Sometimes you might not win prizes for months, even a year, and then in one day you could do really well, just like Triple Coins has done today. 2 prizes from 2 different giveaways. I do understand that it can be super frustrating if you haven't won a prize yet. Again, Musa Hussein, a huge shout out to you, and also Sam Eccles working together there. There is going to be that first time winners giveaway coming up this evening, and also the giveaway for new coin collectors. We're going to get a prize out there, a whole new winner on the channel. You will get yourself into that winners club, that elusive club. And again, I do understand that it is getting more and more difficult with more and more subscribers on the channel, but I do want to try and keep all of them fair, get as much out to everyone as possible, and if we work together, we definitely will be able to do that. Again, a huge shout out to everyone that managed to guess them correctly. Thank you all so much for playing along. Best of luck in Els Games giveaways coming up in the next video. Will anyone manage to get her 6th sequence correctly? Who will be getting hold of that 2021 Team GB 50p coin? Find out in a little over an hour. Have a really nice day, guys, and as always, thanks for watching.